Cleaning your microwave regularly will prevent food buildup that can lead to bad smells. Secondly, it's more hygienic and safer, preventing cross-contamination. And thirdly, let's face it, your food just tastes better when it's cooked in a clean space. So, let's roll up our sleeves and tackle this mess together. First, let's start with a quick steam clean. Put water in a microwave-safe bowl. Add some white vinegar into the water. You can put drops of lemon for extra freshness. The acidic in vinegar is going to help break down that grease and grime fast. Place the bowl in the microwave and set the timer for 5 minutes on high. Let it sit for another 2 to 3 minutes after it stops to let the steam loosen the grime. Carefully remove the bowl and wipe down the inside with a damp cloth or sponge. Most stains should come off easily. Still have stubborn spots? No worries. Make a paste using baking soda and a little water. Apply the paste directly to tough stains and let it sit for 5 minutes. Use a damp sponge to scrub the area gently. The abrasiveness of the baking soda will do the trick. Wipe clean with a wet cloth and you'll see those stubborn spots disappear in no time. Don't forget the turntable. Take it out and wash it in warm, soapy water like you would a regular dish. Dry it before putting it back. For the door, use a mixture of vinegar and water to clean the glass and edges. If there's grime in the vents, use a toothbrush to gently scrub those areas. Now that your microwave is clean, here are a few maintenance tips. Cover your food with a microwave-safe lid to prevent splatters. Wipe down the inside after heavy use. Place a small bowl of baking soda or a few coffee grounds inside overnight to neutralize odors. With these tips, you'll keep your microwave looking and smelling fresh. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel.